Hi, and welcome to my review of Fat Burning Furnace. In this video, I will be buying this ebook, and then I will give you a review of the program. This program is created by Rob Paulos, and it helped him lose 42 pounds and 10 inches off his belly by just spending 45 minutes a week. It also helped his wife, Kaylin, lose 59 pounds and 8 dress sizes, while still being able to enjoy yummy but fat-burning foods all day. It is a guide teaching you how to burn fat, lose weight, build muscle, and improve your overall health effectively and efficiently. Okay, now let me scroll down and click on the button to get started. Then I click on the Add to Cart button. After that is the ClickBank payment page. If you do not know what ClickBank is, it is something like PayPal. It is the middleman between the seller and buyer, protecting your financial information and ensuring you receive what you have purchased. I am now going to enter my credit card info, which is blurred out, and then click the Pay Now button. And finally, I arrive at the confirmation page. I'll just click on the Access Purchase button to access the download. Then, I just enter my information, which is blurred out, and click the green button. Now, I have access to the download page, where I scroll down and right-click on the link for the Fat Burning Furnace to download it.